So let's go over some of the things that we've learned so far. So remember that slicing and indexing works with tuples, just like it works with strings, lists, or other kinds of sequences. So here we have a tuple, Julia, with a few items, some strings, some integers. And on line 2, we print out Julia sub 2. If we want to determine what that prints out, we first need to determine what kind of operation this is. So we see that we're saying Julia sub, and so that should tell us that we're either indexing or slicing. I don't see a colon here, so that should tell me that this is indexing. And so when I print out Julia sub 2, that's going to print out the third item. Again, the third item because we're 0 indexed. So the third item is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and so this should be 1967. Then we print out Julia sub 2 through 6. And so in order to determine what that prints out, I'm going to write the indices on the edges of the items. 6. And so 2 through 6 is going to be 2 through 6. And so that should be everything from 1967 through actress. And that's what this line should print out. When we print out the length of Julia, then that's going to ask how many items are there. So I see there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't get fooled by the comma here. It's actually part of the string, not part of the tuple definition. And so that's going to say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. If the last index is 6, then because there's a 0 here, then that means that the length is 7. And then here we have a complicated concatenation operation. So first we take Julia sub from the beginning through item 3. And so that's going to be Julia Roberts 1967. So let me write that out. Julia Roberts 1967. And then we concatenate to that the string eat, pray, love in 2010. So eat, pray, love, and 2010. And then we add Julia from index 5 on. So that's going to be everything from actress on. So that's actress and Atlanta, Georgia. If I just add commas between these. And this gives us a tuple back. So this is what I expect to print when we run this code. Let's test our hypotheses. Okay, so I see that line 2 does indeed print out 1967. Line 3 does in fact print out everything from 1967 through actress. Line 5 does in fact print out 7. And line 8 does in fact print out this list that we specified. So let's go over some questions related to slicing and indexing. So first, if we ask, what's printed out by the following statement? So the string S is Python rocks, and we print out S from index 3 to 8. And so in order to determine what actually gets printed out, then I'm going to first find out where index 3 is. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. And so what that means is that because we include index 3, I'm going to draw a line right here. And then we print out that through 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we don't include index 8 because we move kind of all of these dots to the left. And so what that means is that we're going to get everything from here to here. So we should get HON space R or item C. Okay, next question. So here we have a list that has a mix of some integers, some strings, and some actual other lists as items. And so what we're asking is what's printed by the following statement. So we create this list and we print out a list sub 4 colon. So in order to figure that out, then I'm going to first find index 4. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So index 4 contains this empty list. And because we don't have anything after the colon, then we're saying we want everything from index 4 on. And so we can draw kind of a line here. And we know that it's going to contain everything from this empty list to 3.14 to false. And so I expect the answer to be A. And so we can see that answer A here was the correct answer. So now we have a question asking us to create a new list using the 9th through 12th items, so 4 items in all, of new list, and assign it to the variable sublist. So the first thing I'm going to do in order to answer this question is I'm going to say sublist equals, and then I know I'm going to be slicing on new list, so I'm going to say sublist equals new list sub. So if we want the 9th item, then we actually have to use index 8. So I'm going to say index 8, and because I want a subset, then I want to slice, so I use the colon. And I want through the 12th item. So if we include index 8, 9, 10, 11, then that's going to give us 4 items. So what I want to say is I want through, but not including index 12, because that's actually the 13th item, because again, Python is 0 indexed. So if I say sublist equals new list from indices 8 through 12 and run it, then I get the correct answer. That's all for now. Until next time.